we had the glad plenty country people for say we don't take care. Me we not to read again to read the plenty. We the salad we na way we na day for that side them from Gaundere. We na way we na day for that side for South Cameroon. Una for Northwest and Southwest. Una we na day na for Europe. We the true salad for una cash wa salad. Una take care she don't find to read them day where they don't enter for here. We could knock one after one. Yes, that means we see chapter by chapter. Now so we go begin and now we to read for corner side to read we enter for our ear for corner side. Now say we see some three picking them for us for Bafang them don't quarrel. That means we see now for inside water. The four they picking the day so they gonna go for go see Papa God. Wait happen, wait no happen. Uno sabi but now say we see family they cry plenty because they picking they don't go, they don't see them again. Now three picking them now for inside water where they die for that side for Bafang within for West region inside a country. Palava for accident, we don't say we some man where we don't lost inside Douala here when a sabi say we dey talk palava for Charles say Charles he don't come up for his house. Family don't sabi say where Charles he don't go. You woman they say Master don't come out no tell me say we don't go. Even now they don't come in for village say he uncle where they for us for B village. He don't die. We don't know how Charles he go. We get for tell you because Charles he did so. Now he get for be immediate successor for the papa where he don't die when na uncle for family. Mais except say they don't look Charles. They put long eye. They open their ear them. It long so say they could hear man could talk say don't see Charles he pass. They don't see Charles he won't be now for weekend. They see that Charles he die body for that side for payage on Jumbe Penja and for Mungo division where they see that Charles for them. They say he get caught for his skin plenty where they don't knock sute knock get caught for his skin. They don't know now who they don't kill Charles. When I sabi say they don't look Charles for many years. But inside to it today, we will take una talk palava for accident where don't happen. People then no die for some other one them, but now animal them die. That means say inside that side for Ngaundere. Now some animal the way they die inside for palava for accident. One way people they die now for inside the Douala where they see na die body for person where die. They don't know whether na what to kill the man, but they don't can see na die body for that side for Bonaprizo. Side for Northwest and Southwest, people they die so die na die inside weekend. We go show una and tell una people the way they die so kill them inside weekend. Even how a woman them inside Northwest and Southwest. They be don't come shit down. Yes, they come for some big dongame for us for Boya. They say killing, it don't they plenty and batting for woman them. They talk say people the way they shoot kill people inside Northwest and Southwest. Them don't decide for the shoot plenty now woman them where they make woman they invest plenty. Country people to read plenty, muna she don't find who go the chakara plenty. Country people, wait to be Big Pie Talk today. Big Pie Talk, come on for that side. Farm be safe for that side for Yaoundé. With a true salute for people that wait the day for that side for Yaoundé. Wait talk. He say wait foul. They ever been a first person for run inter for house every evening. Because say sabi say wait he no give hand for can knock door. Foul. This also been a first man for run inter for house for evening. Because for sabi say we see, he no get the hands for can knock door, for can say pop, he no get them. So now why that way even in one reach foul being a first man for day inside house with a salon a palm being set for that side for Yaoundé and all people the way they did for that side for Yaoundé. Sabi say we see Yaoundé and Douala not only black we will not see them for outside. Kitu people them plenty pass inside Douala like Yaoundé. Even for side for Bafoussam, you want pass for big place them, you dey see na Kitu them. One day when they wear na red cap, one day when they not even wake up, you know they see their face outside black. See go reach na for that shoe. Now so we don't take IC and country people who go down so there for the scene and see sabi say weti palava for national worker inside country na tomorrow. It dey say na man and a man could talk say weti all man they talk say people the way they no want say maybe they talk say weti. It no could happen for the countries, lie to lie. People the way they talk say may happen, them too they talk say weti, it could happen for the country, lie to lie. All of them say weti Cameroon, now man get them. That means say tomorrow when na number 22 day inside the country, we go see na see, but thing we want know na say wetin mami water dem too we don see am for big Carrefour dey inside Douala Yaoundé na Logmob. Na who be who dey talk wetin for who country people wa eye sharp plenty wa ear long like rabbit on anything. We go that so come begin the knack with the tori for your country people. We na sabi say wetin people dey inside radio they never get time for the knack tori with we, but una fit put na una comments for comment section. Anything we wanna put on for day, we go can see am. Tomorrow, we go come back begin the top. Time for begin the Chakara Tori. Come on for one Tori, enter for another Tori. Wait we will get them today. We go start now for chapter for cry, chapter for die body, where they see inside Douala here. That means say wetin. People that wake up for morning time today. Now goodbye this to die body. That means say welcome to die body, but goodbye to his spirit. How we country people they ever sabi for talk. Na man that way sleep so he dey so in the sleep na sleep we go wake up. He don't die na die. Who side we dey na inside Daido Bonapriso. Na inside Bonapriso for Douala. Una sabi say the kind quarter na big people that quarter way man dey ever can dey for day. When any man can come for evening for his house, he dey open na gate enter. All man dey stay na inside gate. That means say wetin if something self dey happen for outside, for say countryman see am. For can tell your family or tell other country people they say this one I think this will be happen. It not be easy. That means say you dey work for this street for Bonapriso them. You dey the same man not dey but all people they dey for that house. You know they le quarter them like Bepanda them and Makepe Zoke them and village the way all man they come she down with the combi them with the neighbor them for outside so that the fees are beating where it happen. Now that's so for the kind chapter where they so them key man people them where they dey for corner house where they even kill them for corner the door. That mean for door more for their house. Them no sabi wetin happen. Them no know who it is sleep for day. They don't know who kill it. 70 people they wey na people they wey they want look at house them. Them talk say wetin they don't know time where they keep person for that side. Them just wake up for morning time. Now their body they take eye see for that door. Una person non lost. Muna go for that side for Bonapriso inside Douala. See whether that body now win a man. Now inside Douala Cameroon. Country people. We come up for that side for Bonapriso. See talk na palava for key people. The one so na for inside northwest and southwest. Who they take we now? Go na side for Bafut. Wow, we na see am so. Now one man with the key for weekend inside that side for Bafut for northwest. That means say wetin. We no nothing will happen, but they talk say wetin. Na shoot there for his skin. Big cut way they so na gun. It don't enter for his skin. They see key people them plenty so for inside northwest and southwest. Now another one this. That means say the one of another one where people they hold them so whether they hold them on top stick they carry go. Motor not even there where they so they fit even shoot man so. Man begin they bleed. That means say blood in the come out. Motor go take it run go hospital. He was so when they shoot man for that side. If people they not there for even carry that man then go with them for that side for hospital. He could die in a die for day. Now why that when I see the country people them so. They die even for weekend. We hear say wetin na for that side for Bafut. And to the way to the inter for our eye na say for our ear na say the people them they know them like people the way they be there for that side for Bafut. That means say wetin when they ever got do their business for that side for Bafut. People know them fine. They don't wake up. They see now how they don't shoot them, kill them. Now who shoot them? Not only Papa God you want know. What did they do? Papa God you want know. But when I sabi say wetin plenty people they don't they die inside northwest and southwest. For palava for gun, how we gun it they go on between one camp and one camp. Would be one camp, separatists them and governor for Cameroon. Now my boy them and soldier them. So now when man die for that side, they know whether now who he because say wetin all the people them na gun they carry inside northwest and southwest. We go leave that palava now so talk palava for accident. The accident so then for that side for Ndere where we take our eye see am. He dey for that side for Ndere wetin happen. We no sabi but we say wetin the motor if we carry the people there yes the other one dey na for Akum rather way una dey see am so. The accident dey na for that side for Akum see for side for northwest region. That means say we dey hear say wetin tori wey dey enter our ear na say papa wey get the motor if he go some die for some compound wey dey on top the hill una see the hill wey the motor dey the house dey on top they park the motor on top the hill Then he woman and he picking the day as how plenty other country people they be there for that die. The woman and he picking now cause she don't inside the motor the way say me papa can start motor they go. Motor just start to go. You want so country people man never start motor to say motor begin they go. Motor go down for that hero when I see am so land na for down. My papa got to be there for that mamia and that gondere. It is so not only small cut there for that skin. Papa will be the come with key for say he for start motor for carry a woman and he pick me begin to go back for their house. He don't come, he don't run after the motor. Motor wait. Motor not agree wait. He go so only go wait now under that big that means he go down go wait now for that big hero when they see him now for under. But mommy and he picking they come up for this cut you know there for their skin. Moto you know jagara how we see am. So another accident we don't get am. The one to be yesterday na for that side for Ndere. How I be talk so. The other accident na big motor that way come up for that side for northern region for country. They enter inside south part for Cameroon. That means what they come for Yaoundé or na for Douala they come. Na accident na people that way the motor kill. When I see so na big cow then that way they be carry for Baghdad motor. Sabi say oti bibi motor they ever carry cow them for that side for Adamawa, side for north, side for far north. They bring her inside Douala or na Yaoundé. Motor can get accident. The cow them they quarrel for this so they not for even agree again na only small cut. May they take them go hospital. Cow then die immediately after the accident happened. But we hear say oti driver for the motor he don't get too small cut. They don't think he go now for hospital. But the thing where we hear for the accident too na say oti. Now overspeeding it causes the accident. That means what the driver they be go with like say something be there for a back or some people then be they follow you for a back with the cane. Now that's so that reason where don't they cause plenty other accident inside country. Palava for the run with speed. Let's say they so they do na man Cameroon race. That chapter I don't finish for the country people. Mo go na Palava from Banga where they catch them. When I sabi say what na Kitu red cap people there where they catch the country people them where they take their own na the cannabis na marijuana na mbanga when they call them some people they call their own say oti na jama yes country people they get different name where they call them the big bag there so seven bag for the palava where they take them for inside Yaoundé them catch them. That means say oti Kitu red cap people them they be shine their eye plenty. Why I talk say to be shine the eye because they be tie inside a bag when a corn day. They tie na inside bag they when a corn it day. So if the people they not be open their eye find enough for even know say they so they don't carry a banger inside the bag them. The big bag the people then country people they get sense plenty. They first put banger put after they put corn then they see put that thing again put corn don't mix them so. If it is so your head no day you could even check say it is so not only corn they carry. But the big man so and the long boy them they sharp eye find open that bag say that people they talk say na corn will carry. They say no be corn will carry na the country people that way they be carry that thing for that side for West region. They enter inside country capital na for Yaoundé when I sabi say wetin the thing too they never talk say worry because when man take am he hate the shake na shake. That means say if he take na collapse for call you with am he dey so he no even see you na like human being again. They talk say wetin na the kind thing where plenty people they take am inside town. It dey give them na full courage. Our friend man they ever talk yes. If they give them folk right, that means say they give them some kind hard way. Whether they enter for whose house for broke door, then thief money for they know they fear. Now whether they talk so many things, they don't sell them. So now they contribute with that where the one go say now bad market day, he catch them that day, they catch them with that thing for road for enter inside Yaoundé. Now big bad the way carry. They argue with that Kitu people them. Now con will carry, no because we not carry. Now con will carry the only when they don't open back where my party man they so they are mob. He shut up. Yes, I talk to my party man. Na combi them. Why I talk to them? I combi them because say na Cameroon and them. You know, be say na people the way me and they do business because me I know they me for that kind of business. Una sabi my business, country people them. Now so me we talk na palava for other thing to where they so we don't see say they so na bad time for people the way their hand they long plenty. That means say people them. The one the way when I say and so na big material for Kamwata where they don't thief them. Sometimes they dey for quarter they talk say this so water don't call when that people don't can losing all the thing them because Kamwata people they talk say the thing where they catch inside Douala for Chateau for Daido Douala they never come broke. You see the house where they put them for day They say the nobody don't come broke na come water shop. They just come, they losing and for say come water don't connect water them, move the big thing them. They go put them for that small house. They sell them. When my one can sell them, they give all the ticket, the factory. They don't see them, so they don't give them so. The big oga quarter inside come water talk say wetin. They don't they get problem plenty. People they catch them say they so come water people they know they work because say water it don't cut for their compound, water it don't cut for their quarter, water it no dey for their village. Then can water people they never agree can put back water for them. But they talk their own say wetin. They ever one can put water for them correct. But matter now then I say wetin. Time when they even want to for come say the one can put water, they don't can just connect so they want turn their back. People they don't really can move the pipe them. Water they come on for road. Now why that when I pass sometimes inside Douala owner Yaoundé owner any part for Cameroon, when I see say water they come out, not be say the people they don't can put them. When they put them, the people they don't can see them so. The big thing them. The people they talk say this one are on the way don't buy them. Oga them for come water talk say wetin. The thing so not only come water get them inside country. Una don't see them na for day. So they say they go take people them go knock them casting go find them. They talk that come be them and who them where the river send them or outside where they don't or go sell the other one where they don't they take them so that they go for day go take them back. Now inside Daido for that side for Chateau Daido. So when I sabi that side for Chateau Daido, when I know say wetin. Now T people they there for that side, work where they go for that side, now work for T people. People the way they sell all the material for that side, they know they go buy them, now buy them, or they buy them for black market. Even so, they don't even cash all them shop, you know, could they open for that side, according to thing where they don't tell we. Country people, Douala problem, Yaoundé problem with the insecurity, T people the way they catch them, not be only that one, bad road too, now one of their name. That means say wetin the one wey una see am so when I fit check say it is so na some village inside Cameroon where it is so people they don't know or for waka go there na trouble but na inside Douala this one una see am so this side so na Bojongo Singondere dey for Bojongo Okada man dey for Bojongo the two they be na people the way they get for learn how to swim because say wetin even if they stay for Bojongo you for enter your house na for swim una see how people they pass before they enter their house for enter their house too na palava. See house there for Bojongo, fine house today, Carabou house for day. You will get fine house, you will not get fine house. See the kind of way people they pass. This side so not even talk about palava for mosquito because mosquito for this side now their friend or now they come be them. People them for quarter they talk say wetin. It is so they don't build small gutter them for some side. You don't block. Man they know the Greek come arrange them. Whether na council or whether na come now they know the year talk where they talk. People then come out say wetin they could try do their own for even degree gutter because say wetin water wey dey go outside e dey make road e dey wowo e dey enter for people their house e dey make life e dey hard for the water dey make na because say wetin they never make gutter dem wey water fit dey pass for there so water now e dey find road with the country people dem now when school dey come so they dey ask say wetin how pikin dem for Bojongo inside Douala they go go school even if they no wan comot come inside town for go school if they wan remain na inside Bonaberi for go school. For comot for inside Bojongo, how when I sabi say Bojongo fair fire also. For comot, they could hold na how many close them because say they talk say for even your comot na for road for that side for Bonaberi, you even get for buy whole different clothes, different shoe where you don't comot whether you dey on top machine with the work and foot where you don't already comot for road, then you change clothes. They don't talk say wetin, you know be like say they never talk something from governor, they don't try for talk for all people them. Where they talk say na them be head boy them for that side for Bonaberi or for Douala for it dey like say the people they know they hear talk where they talk. They talk for English, they know hear for French, they know hear. Say make up talk it on because say with the school they come, it has no problem with them. If them the papa then they don't try anyhow for go work. Now so pikin they get for look clean for school. How they pikin go come out for Bojongo, go for school with that kind road, na road down for Bojongo. People them. So where they cry for them, I say with some big company they dey for day. Where they even fix all kind of thing them, different kind of thing the way the company they fix them. They even beg say company una get money, una just carry na sea walk and pour am for a road. The company they know they want hear that one. Thing where find them for their skin. Na only that money where they work for that side for Bojongo. Na matter they that for inside country. Country people they for two for that side for Mesamendongo. Inside that side for Yaoundé them too they cry. Their problem I say wetin them be don't come broke their house where they not even tell them. That means say wetin they say big people they inside Yaoundé for big people dey inside Yahoo man wey dey talk so e dey so na oga that mean say wetin na chief for that quarter there for Mesamendon go for Yaounde. Una see as the way they don come broke am. This chief e dey show the own house. Even chief say sef no be na that kind one wey they dey broke for some quarter. The people dey go talk say no na chief e don bring e complete them or e don go talk for the people dey say they so make they come broke her house. They don broke am leave chief e own house. Na chief e own house that story build the way they broke am. Chief dey talk say wetin that thing na magomago that palava for broke na magomago for sika wetin say their house e dey like 30 meters away from the road. That means say wetin for comot road reach for side where their house dey you dey walk at 30 meters. They broke am say e dey for road. Na question that chief dey ask am. Chief ask say wetin una be even wan broke something una don even tell we sometimes say e dey so the wa house so e never dey for correct place place wey e dey so e dey worry something wey governor wan do road wan pass dey wan be wasapito dey wan be school or that kind thing question wey we never gree hear answer. E dey so wetin una wey una even come for here begin dey do some small work there we dey work for with una so una don tell una wan tell we even one time say e dey so more comot sometimes una wan broke am. No, they don't tell them according to thing wey the chief e dey tell we they don come broke their house. They dey talk say wetin magomago dey for that matter. Say make people dem for country make dey hear see say e dey so man go be house 30 meters away from the road they come broke am. That mean say wetin if some man begin na bad belle then go talk for council people dem for inside Yaounde they say make they come broke the house dem for inside Mesamendon go. That man he must answer question wey country people dem for inside country they go dey ask. And country people dem na who na you and me. If you fit ask your owner for Facebook you go ask am. You na wey una fit take the matter go with am for other side wey they fit take the kind matter go. Mo una hear na why that we decide say e dey so mo sound the palava. People dem that so dey for that side they cry say they broke house. Even now wey they dey try say they go get small money for send pikin dem for school. Now so they go get for the look na house. When they don decide for all the shidon na for that house wey they don broke am. Say even how they don broke am. They no go comot for them because say they no get side for go. If they want say make they comot make they just can carry them go emam for side way they all carry the thing for Yaounde e go emam. The matter dey hot na hot inside Yaounde. Now so we go talk palava small politics inside country. People them for Edith Kawala una sabi mami Edith Kawala very well. He come out with that he come be them. Yesterday for Seweti for weekend, yes, not yesterday for weekend for Seweti. Una leave our people the way una don't take and put them for Ngata. That means say some people there for CPP and people there for stand up for Cameroon. They talk Seweti they be catch them inside Douala na Kitu they catch them. Why they don't catch them? Capo no know that one, but the commoner go the next Seweti. Una must leave our people. If una don't leave our people with you, we no go come out for you so. Now Edith Kawala and the people there for stand up for Cameroon that they work say wetin they must leave their people say they never do anything wrong. So that means say Kitu people them no be get any power or any right for can hold their people. That means say the country na man will get power if they hold your man. If you two not get power it could worry na worry. Them do their own so but we no sabi whether they so that a movement wey they don't do that work for vex for front. That means say for them up. For Kitu people there inside Douala, so we don't know whether it is so they don't leave that people them. We don't try for ask them. People them never agree give we answer. We could also they ask them. We could come back for they tell we na country people. So other man too the verse for Cameroon na a man we na chief. Yes, they call it say wetin His Majesty Sokoju Jean Ramo. Yes, now some big man we they call him say traditional ruler for that side for Birmingham. For side for West region for Cameroon. It's a wetin country dey bad we will be achieve them we be traditional ruler them we no go sit down quiet. Yes na that big power una sabi say wetin that big power e dey always talk for palava them inside country. E say wetin country e no fit dey go na for back he sit down quiet for sika say all e other come be there no dey sit down quiet. E say governor I don tell we now plenty years them say e dey so. The palava way when they do with the English people the inside country, it go come ban na bad. More una stop them. Una no ye. Now so una don't see how we don the ban na bad no. If una not do something now, there's the way they come na tomorrow. It could also ban na bad. You know talk finish Amos. Easy come out talk for palava the way they worry inside country. Leave palava anglophone them come out. Come say wetin. The country they so. If they go now for back. You know they go for before. He say ye as man wey na man for tradition, he wey dey talk with the gods dem, he dey see the country far away, people dey no dey gree see am, and thing wey dey see about the country wey dey comot for far, e no dey find ye if they no do something. According to ye, he talk some big talk for big people dey wey na governor people dey say wetin, una no fit drink mimbo broke calabash. If una no finish drink mimbo, drink am all, no give some other people dem, una at least leave calabash for day, so that some man wey come, if you try put it on for inside, make una no drink mimbo broke calabash. Na strong talk that way he talk. We go come back for that he talk tomorrow, because that he talk a plenty wey don publish am. Now so we go now on top our newspaper. Sabi say today na Monday, newspaper dey never plenty. We go start with the first newspaper wey Amos get am for give you today. City wey newspaper dey talk, but sabi say wetin plenty newspaper dey inside country don dey talk na palava for waka for vex. The Star newspaper talking on na the palava for peace. Una sabi say wetin today na World Peace Day, and na PCC if you take the palava for peace, they talk all Cameroonians say wetin all Cameroon man get for understand say peace e be very important. That means say Presbyterians them, even with the moderator, they take that palava go for street for Boya, for the south, for southwest, they even start for Limbe. Say wetin all Cameroon man na peace, oh, na only peace go make we will smile again. Na only peace e go make thing them e better again. The Star newspaper talk palava for peace. Make we go for another newspaper. Yes, after the palava for peace, the other newspaper they talk it on and say wetin think them e dey shake inside country. People dey not sabi whether tomorrow go dey na how. People dey not sabi whether tomorrow go dey na how. Now so na palava who be who inside the country as how wey tomorrow dey come. Una sabi palava for tomorrow wey na number 22 day, wey na the palava for waka for vex. Even the CRM party on people them, that means say wetin na the Guardian Post talking on and say wetin government e don show e hand wey strong, e big plus plenty, e hold and they say don hold na armor for up, say make CRM people dey show head, make dem knack am. The crown that's what they talk na palava for national waka for vex when na come to e come be dey plan am tomorrow. E say wetin come to e on don talk say wetin dem no dey fear anything wey man dey talk. How even how government not talk say wetin make man no just gree send e head for outside tomorrow. The other people dey talk e on say come to e on people dem dey talk say wetin they dey that's do their own. Let's say they no dey hear thing when governor dey talk. Governor too e dey talk say wetin na we get hammer. If man just gree put head for comot for palava for cause disorder inside country, we go knack e head. Amos, you don come out for the Guardian Post again. Yes, the Horizon too dey talk na palava for national waka for vex tomorrow. Say it is so doubt it be. That means say wetin doubt dey be how we government don dey comot big motor dem put am for road, big kitu dem how we dey tell una say all sign na kitu, so man no know whether that palava for waka for vex e go that so hold tomorrow. Who fit answer that question? Na only tomorrow wey answer fit comot for that question. The other people wey na the media e dey talk na palava for regional election for country. E dey talk say wetin how a regional election wey dey come for inside country number 6 day for December inside country, casualty dem don dey plenty, frustration don dey plenty inside southwest. Na so the paper e don dey talk. Wetin e mean na inside the paper wey we go know plenty why dey talk so. Another newspaper too we get am today na the Post newspaper. The Post don talk say wetin say governor don comot big car wey dey call am say armor car, water cannon dem wey e don comot for outside. Yes, water cannon na that one we dey call am say mami water wey dey pour you water dey hot na hot. For sika say wetin only for sika say wetin come to the don talk say dey get for comot outside tomorrow, and the people dem so governor don comot only the one for say Iman shake head, not only on top his skin they go pour am. The Voice newspaper they talk na palava for national waka for vex tomorrow. Say wetin it is so preparation it dey go on na go. That means say wetin come to the people them they put their sense together for comot their own strategy. Governor too they put it on together too for comot it on for say wetin make tomorrow not be like say the way the people they want to make it be, but there are people them too they talk na say wetin it must be like say they want to make it be. The Eden newspaper they talk na that palava una sabi say wetin na that palava wey dey main news for Cameroon plenty palava for national waka for vex. Say Kamto versus Pobia for say wetin na for inside street dem for Cameroon wey we go see Kamto versus Bia. Na the Eden newspaper that. Another newspaper too wey we get am for today na the breaking news. The breaking news wetin the breaking news too don talk na that palava national waka for vex. Isi come back and talk palava the inside northwest and southwest. when you look the breaking news, you go see plenty other strong tori the way they get am for the country. I must tell you say this so breaking news na our last newspaper we get am una sabi say na Monday wey never been a Monday the paper dey plenty country people we thank una plenty our time you don already go we go leave tori for them but people the way they dey inside Douala and one the way they know how for see we they catch we for our radio for satellite una sabi say wetin for 2 o'clock we go there for radio and for Equinox radio you fit call to talk to wey dey for your belle inside country una wey una dey na only for TV. Una hold am tight, una stay with the Equinox.